All right, hello everyone. Welcome back to another episode of PCs and EVs. I know I haven't been posting much, but we got our hands on a MSI 5080 GeForce RTX Vanguard Launch Edition. So let's get this thing opened up and take a look and see what this unboxing experience is like. This is by far one of the largest boxes for a GPU that I've seen. This is probably on par with my Kingpin hybrid 3090 unboxing, or not unboxing, box. And for original fans of the channel, you guys know that I've got that listed on here as well. It's got a little plain accent on the tear, and the tear, it's like a little runway. It's dotted down the middle. Oh, and then it opens up, and it says MSI Launch Edition. So, this is quite unwieldy. Can I get this box to collapse back up so that I can at least kind of have it out of the way? Yeah. All right, let's move the scissors now. And then you guys are going to see this before I have. Okay, so we've got a little bit of lucky around the world stuff, including a little limited edition blind box lucky figure. We've got that right here. It's got the same type of seal at the top. Let's see, which lucky did we get? Our thing in the box says astronaut lucky. That's ironic, given that I absolutely love everything aerospace. I'll put that to the side. We've got our 3x8 to 12 volt high power. We've got a little GPU support bracket. A large amount of foam. Let's move this stuff over. And then we've got the absolutely massive MSI Vanguard Launch Edition 5080. Holy crap. This thing is giant. Unfortunately, I don't have any 40 series on hand, otherwise I would compare it to that. But considering that the 5080 and 5090 coolers themselves this year for the FEs are 2-slot, this just feels excessive. Fully metal backplate. You got tons of RGB lighting that's going to show up on this thing. Carbon fiber effect. It might actually be real carbon fiber, though I doubt it. I bet it's like carbon fiber vinyl or something. I don't know. I'm not skilled enough to tell. But yeah, this is definitely a 3, maybe 3.5 slot GPU. Carbon fiber here. I can't tell if that's real carbon. I mean, feels like it might be. This actually isn't that heavy despite the size, so that very well could be real carbon fiber, which would be nuts. And would help justify the $1,300 bundled with a MSI 850 watt power supply that I had to pay to get one of these. And get this, the MSRP's gone up since then. 50 series, what the hell? You are entirely out of control. But yeah, that kind of does it for this really brief unboxing experience. So here's to hoping that my audio and video actually recorded properly, because I can't get that done in one take again. So I'll see you all in the next video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Hopefully we'll have more 5080 unboxings coming up soon. This one's actually already spoken for a client, so I probably won't have time to benchmark it or anything. But I do have a couple of PNY cards coming pretty shortly. Anyways, I'll see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.